May the Indian tricolor always fly high, sending you a warm wishes on this grand occasion of Independence Day. Happy 74th Independence Day to you. Welcome to my channel CSIR Net Chemistry Facts. Hello guys, today we will discuss the CSIR Net June 2019 Part C question. What is the major product of this reaction? So guys, the reaction is on your screen and we have to go for the detailed analysis of this reaction. So guys, let's start. Hello guys. So this is the starting material is given and this is the condition is given. So what will be the product? So guys, before coming to the discussion of this question, so I have to discuss this this reactant property. So guys, this will be prepared by BH3 and sodium cyanide reaction. So guys, here you can see this is the complex structure. So BH3CN. So this total has a negative charge and this sodium has a positive charge. So guys, we know the boron has a 5 electron in it, and the electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. So in the excited state, the boron, this 2s electron will jump to the 2p and it will form 2s 1, and this like 2p will take 1 electron, so 2p will be 2. So guys, now when it will form the BH3 molecule, then the 3 hydrogen will donate the electron in this 3 orbital, and it will form the paired orbital in this pair electrons in this 3 orbitals, right? So the p orbital will be vacant. So here one p orbital is there, which is vacant p orbital. Here no electron is there. So this boron has this vacant p orbital, and in this vacant p orbital it has the power to accept the electrons from the coming ligand or nucleophiles. So we know the Cn- is a very good nucleophile, and it will donate its electron to this vacant p orbital of this BH3, and it will form this complex. So guys, in this complex here you can see the Cn is attached with this BH3, and this Cn is a electron pulling or electron withdrawing type of nature, and therefore the hydride donation by this compound will be very less, and it will be very less reactive. So the reactivity pattern is that the sodium borohydride NaBH4 has the more reactive than this compound, okay, this NaBH3Cn. So therefore this reactivity is very high, and it will selectively reduce the keto, but it will not reduce the star. So star it will not reduce, only keto it will be reduced, and that also in presence of pH4. So pH4 means it will be acidic condition, so therefore H plus will be present in the reaction medium. The H plus will be this oxygen will abstract this H plus, and this H, after abstracting this H plus, it will be OH plus, right? So when it will form this OH plus, then this carbon will be sufficiently electrophilic, and in that time only the H minus from this complex can come out and can attack here. So therefore in this condition only that H minus will react. So guys, here this is the structure of this compound. Here you can see this hydrogen is in the below the plane, and this CO2 is the below the plane. So therefore after protonation it will be OH plus. So guys, now this H minus can be react from either this side or this side. So guys, this side react is very impossible, because you can see it will be a cage like type of structure. In this cage the H minus cannot be entered. So this side attack is not possible. So it will selectively attack from this side. So that means the below side. So hydride attack will happen from the below side, and OH will go in the above. So guys, if you write the structure, then it will be like this. So it will be OH, and here it will be hydrogen, right? So this is our final product structure. So guys, if you write in the planar form, then we can write like this. So N. So it will be like this. This hydrogen is in the below plane, and this CO2 is also in the below plane. So guys, now this OH will go above the plane. So OH will be above the plane, and this incoming hydride ligand will come from the below side. So therefore it will be hydrogen will be in the below. So guys, this is the structure of the product. So guys, this is our final product. So guys, hope you understand the logical explanation. So guys, here option number 1 and option number 2, you can see the CO2 group also reduced, right? So therefore this is not the correct answer. So therefore option number 1 and option 2 is not the correct answer. Now among this option number 3 and option number 4, selectively the keto group was reduced. So therefore among these 3 and 4, 1 will be the correct answer. So guys, if you see the stereochemistry, then we can understand that option number 3 is the correct answer, because the OH should be the above the plane. So therefore option number 3 is the correct answer. So guys, hope you enjoyed this logical answer. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel, and please share with your friends. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Please subscribe this channel now.